So this means a lot to me. I want to thank Firefa firstly. I want to thank my director, Mustafa Kamal Rajbhaiya. I also want to thank my co-artist, Joanna Bhaiya. And I also want to thank everyone, each and everyone. Thank you. অনেক ধন্যবাদ। এত মিষ্টি, গুড মর্নিং, মাশাআল্লাহ। অনেক